How low are your maintenance calories? Oh, this is the thing. You burning like I'm very efficient with the way my body operates, so I get like 100 miles a gallon. So like I can thrive off of a mango for days. And it's like that's the misconception. If you're burning food constantly and you're always hungry, it's because your body is dependent. Like you're feeding an addiction. Like people who are in shape but they eat like shit, it's because their body's rejecting everything they're eating. But the thing is, it's not rejecting it in a way where it stores it. It's just using it, and it's like that's not good. That's why you're gonna find out that people that are healthy that run every day, most of the people that are runners, they're dying of cardiac arrest. They're dying of heart disease, and they're dying of heart disease because they're not eating right. They're eating meats. If you're eating a carnivorous diet, carnivorous is that even? If you're eating the carnivore diet, if you're eating meat constantly, you might be, I feel great. But the thing is, there's a trade-off of acidosis in the body, and you're